Test drive the 2020 Atlas Cross Sport. The Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport screams luxury. With its eloquent exterior body lines and its plethora of interior features, this is surely a vehicle you'll want to take a look at, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.